Introducing our marine vinyl top mount tank storage pouch for the Can-Am Ryker. This tank pouch measures in at 5.5 inches wide by 7 inches tall and 1.5 inches deep. The 5-inch zippered opening along the uppermost section of the bag makes it a breeze to stow away things like your phone, wallet, and keys. And the zippered opening also includes a weather flap as an added barrier for protection against the elements. Now to install, simply clean the back side of the tank shroud with some rubbing alcohol and let that sit for a minute to dry. Next, line up your tank pouch centered on the tank so you can get an idea of where it's going to sit. Make sure the service area is between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure proper adhesion. Then peel back the protected backing tape from both sides of the pouch. Line it up so that it's centered on your tank. And then wrap the sides around and under the shroud, pressing down firmly to adhere it in place. Now make sure you let that sit for at least 24 hours so that it has adequate time to cure. This Hopnail top mount storage pouch adds tremendous convenience for Ryker owners and also goes perfectly with our Hopnail dual side tank pouches. Now if you could use a bit more easily accessible storage on your Can-Am Ryker, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on everything Ryker.